Hey guys, welcome back to Kart So Indian Automobile. Today we're going to talk about the much awaited TVS Jupiter Electric 2026 high voltage. Yes, the iconic Jupiter scooter is expected to go electric soon, and this could completely change the EV game. Hook. But the big question is, will it beat Ola and other electric scooters? And should you wait for it? Thinking face. Let's dive into the details. Overview. The TVS Jupiter has always been known for its comfort and reliability. Now, TVS is planning to launch an electric version using technology similar to the iQube. This scooter is expected to be perfect for daily city rides and family use. Design and looks. In terms of design, TVS will likely keep the classic Jupiter look, but with modern upgrades like LED lighting, premium finish, stylish alloy wheels. So it will look simple, elegant, and practical. Performance. Now let's talk about performance fire. The Jupiter Electric is expected to offer motor power of around 4 to 5 kilowatts. Top speed between 75 to 85 kilometers per hour. That's more than enough for city commuting. Battery and range. Coming to battery. You can expect range of around 100 to 130 kilometers per charge. Charging time of 4 to 5 hours. Fast charging might also be available. Features. This scooter could be packed with features like digital display, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation system, call and message alerts, reverse mode, USB charging port. And yes, big underseat storage, just like Jupiter. Price and launch. Expected price money bag. 1.1 Indian rupees lakh to 1.3 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Launch timeline calendar. Late 2025 or early 2026, expected. Should you wait? So, should you wait? Wait if you want a reliable electric family scooter. Skip if you need a scooter immediately. Outro. So guys, that's all about the TVS Jupiter Electric 2026. Are you excited? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kart So Indian for more amazing auto updates. See you in the next video.